Hi, if you desire results like this and so much more in your life for 2017, give yourself the gift of choosing you and fill out the form below for a free personal strategy session where we'll just deep dive into your life and figure out what you truly deeply desire in 2017, whether it be in your marriage, in your other relationships, in your business, in your job, in your body, in your finances. It's all connected and it all starts with you. And you're setting yourself up to be in a position of full support with other women who are interested in up-leveling their life and learning the tools and the mindset and the ways of being to create lasting change in your life, to go maybe from good to great or not working at all to great. And it all starts with you being here. So I'm so honored. So just fill out the form below. We'll have a free session together and we'll get to see what you get to create in your life, in your lifestyle, and how you really want to create 2017 being your happiest and your healthiest yet.